Healthy hair naturally contains keratin, a structural protein that keeps it strong, smooth, and resilient. However, certain everyday shower habits can gradually strip away this natural protection without us realizing it. Here are 3 common shower mistakes that may be damaging your hair's natural keratin. 1. Using water that is too hot. Hot water can open the hair cuticle excessively, allowing moisture and natural proteins to escape. 2. Overwashing the hair. Washing too frequently can remove natural oils that help protect keratin in the hair strands. Without these oils, hair becomes weaker and less manageable. 3. Using harsh shampoos. Shampoos with strong sulfates or aggressive ingredients can strip not only dirt and oil, but also the hair's natural keratin layer, leading to dryness and frizz. Using a gentler formulation, such as Mayraki Ultra Repairing Shampoo, can help cleanse the scalp while supporting the hair's natural moisture and protein balance, making it more suitable for maintaining healthier strands. By correcting these simple shower habits, you can better protect your hair's natural keratin and maintain smoother, stronger, and more resilient hair over time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.